Hello Zolai learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. I am Tang, and in this video I'm gonna teach you. The first word is UI. It has two pronunciations, and the meaning will change depending on how you sound and how you pronounce the word. So first, let's learn the pronunciation. UI, we, it means dog, a dog. So for example, Ken we khất nịnh. Ken we khất nịnh, which means I have a dog. Ken we nịnh. I have two dogs. Alright, so next, if you pronounce like this, we, did you see my facial expressions? You can guess. We, alright, so we is an interjection in here, and it's like, really? What? Are you sure? Like, it conveys those meanings. So let's see in the example sentence. So if I say, "Ui, nang hoa mo," it means, really? Are you going to travel? Are you going aboard? Ui, nang ong mo. Ui, nang lai ong mo. Really? You passed the test? Ui, cái bằng nghịch khả. Ui, cái bằng nghịch khả. Which means, oh, I forgot it. I forgot it. All right. So from the three examples that I gave, that I taught to you, I believe that you will know how I used we. All right. And the next is that if you combine we with the word ju, it means that a glutton. So for example, if you want to describe a person who is excessively, who is a lot, you can use this word "wichu." Okay, let's see that word in a sentence. For example, if I say I'm a bit wichu in English, it will be he is glutton. He is glutton. Okay. All right. So that's it for today. I hope you'll learn and know the meaning of this word we and we. All right, and we too. Okay, so if you see these words in the sentences, or in if you hear this word in the conversation, I hope you understand the word. Okay, that's it for today. Have a good day, or have a good evening, or have a good night. Bye for now. Bye bye.